Here's a few really nice bikes to look at. Look at that. Moto Guzzi metal. That is nice. Oh, look at that. It's a different brand, isn't it? It's really nice. And we have a Harley Davidson. Nice olive green. That is really pretty. Wow. Nice. And here's another one. Oh, what is this one? 2003. 1903 to 2003. Motor Harley Davidson cycle. Whoa, this is the 100-year celebration style. Look at that. Nice. Oh, look at this blue. Harley Davidson blue 110. Screen Legend. Wow. That's a beauty. CVO Road King. Well, I guess so. Look at that. This is cool. Wow. What a beauty. Oh, look at this one. Harley Davidson. Wow. This is the deluxe. Isn't that beautiful? 96 Cubo inches softball. Wow. Really nice. Pre-owned 2009. Custom 15,995. Ooh. Oh, look at this one. Screen Eagle, Harley Davidson. Oh, there you go. That is nice. And then we have another one here too. 2012 Sports Steer 72. All right. These are some really nice bikes. I mean, look at that. Okay, and this is right by the Pittsfield Airport. That one's pre-owned, so this one's $8,995. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. See, we're by the airport. All right, so here you have a whole line of them. Bye-bye now.